Hi everyone! Today's grammar lesson is on compound and complex sentences. First, let's review. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Number 1. The article is very interesting. Number 2. The article is about longevity and it is very interesting. Which one is a simple sentence? Which one is a compound sentence? Correct. The first one is a simple sentence. It has a subject, a verb, and a complete thought. The second one is a compound sentence. It has an independent clause and a conjunction, a fanboys in the middle. And then it has a second independent clause. Let's review compound sentences. What conjunction fits in each sentence? For, and, but, or, yet, so. Now is a good time to pause the video and do this activity. Number 1. I want to eat healthier food, so I will buy some more fruits and vegetables. Number 2. I want to lose weight, but yet I don't like fruits and vegetables. But and yet have the same meaning, so both would fit here. Number 3. I will eat healthier food and I will start exercising more. I'll do both. Number 4. I will go to the gym or I will go for a walk. I don't have time to do both. Use or when you have two choices. Number 5. I will do my best to work out every day, for I want to lose weight. For means because. Good work. Now let's learn about a new sentence structure. What do you notice that is different about these two sentences? Number 1. I love to exercise, but I don't always have time. Number 2. When I exercise, my body feels great. In the first sentence, I noticed that there are two independent clauses and there's a coordinating conjunction in the middle. The second one, on the other end, has a dependent clause and an independent clause. A dependent clause means it's an incomplete sentence. When I exercise, it's not finished. So we need the independent clause to finish this sentence. And we have a subordinating conjunction, when, and a comma in the middle. This second one is an example of a complex sentence. In English, there are many subordinating conjunctions that we use in complex sentences. These are some examples: when, after, before, while, as soon as, once, because, since, although, if, even if. Let's take a closer look at the sentence structure of a complex sentence. So we can begin with the subordinating conjunction, and we can begin the sentence with a dependent clause, like after I eat lunch. And this is followed by an independent clause. After I eat lunch, comma, my belly is full. You could also write it another way. You could write, my belly is full after I eat lunch. You could begin with the independent clause and follow it with a dependent clause. In the second case, there's no comma. Let's practice. When I sleep for 8 hours, I feel fresh in the morning. How could we rewrite this sentence? Correct. I feel fresh in the morning when I sleep for 8 hours. Notice there's no comma when you switch the word order. This week we will focus on 5 subordinating conjunctions because these ones were used in the reading in Beyond True Stories, in that article, that story about the firefighter in New York on 9/11. We all know what when means. When means at or at the time or during. As soon as and once both have the same meaning. These words mean immediately. We're also going to practice using because and since. I think everyone knows what because means, but since basically has this exact same meaning as because. Now let's look at some examples. When I am sleeping, I sometimes snore. There's me. I sometimes snore when I'm sleeping. So this means during or while I am sleeping. As soon as I wake up, I check my phone. I check my phone as soon as I wake up. This means right away, immediately. Once I get home, I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes once I get home. This also means immediately. Right after I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes. Because I slept well, I feel great. I feel great because I slept well. So this is the reason I feel great. Since I'm hungry, I'll have a snack. I will have a snack since I'm hungry. And since means because. I will have a snack because or since I'm hungry. For homework, I'd like you to practice writing these types of complex sentences. So you're going to complete these sentences on Canvas, or you could just write them on a piece of paper. I'll do the first 2 with you so you can see how to do it. Number 1, when I am at home, comma, I like to watch TV. I like to watch TV when I am at home. So I'll write the sentence both ways. As soon as I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face as soon as I wake up. You can complete these sentences any way you want. I just want you to practice making these complex sentences. Thanks for listening today. Have fun with the homework and see you soon.